Hi, my name is Perry Alexander. How you doing today? Let me talk a little bit about my injury. Uh, I currently was looking for an accident lawyer, and believe it or not, I checked out a couple, and I was recommended to Keno Law Firm. I came in, I had a conversation, I sat down, I talked with them, and they treated me just like family. During my injury, I had problems. I had problems going on with my workman's comp. They was able to solve it, and I promise you, I, they're the best injury lawyers I've ever been to. And I talked to other attorneys, and one thing that I have learned from talking to other people about the Keno Law Firm, they hate to deal with Mr. Keenan because he does a good job. He's very, very thorough. So I recommend him to anyone for as an accident lawyer.
Perry, tell me, just introduce yourself. Just say, hey, I'm Perry, or hello, I'm Perry, something like that.
Hello, I'm Perry.
All right, explain a little bit about what was happening, because it was about a year before we got involved in your case, right?
That's correct.
Did you have a previous lawyer?
No, I did not.
You were just kind of going it on your own?
Yes, I was.
Okay. Just talk a little bit about the difference between, going it on your own and having somebody help you on your case.
Well, I actually tried to go it on my own, hoping that these the company that I work for would be nicely, and that would they claim they will help you. Safety always first, but come to find out, that's not true. Safety is not first. Only thing they care about is their pockets. When you get hurt on the job, you just like another number to them. They will put somebody else in your place, and you are forgotten about. And basically, I had to find someone to represent me, and the Keno Law Firm was my best choice. And after I got into it, and I found out the Keno Law Firm, they were just like family. They come in, they help you. If you got a problem, they help you solve it. If it's work related and you got issues going on at work, they'll get to the root of it. And one thing that I like you can come in, you can talk to them at any time, and they're willing to help you.
All right, Perry, let me ask you this. Would you recommend that somebody, see, here's the challenge. The challenge is a lot of times when people wait a while, the insurance company will kind of work them into a corner and box them into a bad position. And I've always felt that if a lawyer gets involved early, then they can prevent the case from getting into a bad posture. So I personally think it's easier for me to help somebody who gets with us early rather than later after a problem happens. You know what I'm saying? Why wait till a problem happens? Get in there, keep it on track early.
That's true, because what I've learned is
Look right in here, Perry.
what I've learned, if you go and you try to find your attorney early, then you can protect yourself, because your job does not have your best interest at heart. Only you guys that. So that's why you always have to protect yourself by having an attorney on board.
Okay, and is there anything else you want to add?
Yes, the best way to get around all this is come see Mr. Keenan, Keenan Law Firm, and I promise you that he will treat you just like you part of his family. He will help you through the rough times and the hard times and the hardships that you are having, and they're very good people. I will recommend them to anyone.
Is there any kind of a one key word or anything that kind of comes to mind about your experience?
Yes, wow, because I've never been felt more warm and welcome at Keno Law Firm than I ever have. Any other attorney I went to, when I left, I felt like I was stupid because I was so confused. So he he sort of sit down and explain stuff to me, and gave me a sense of direction and a warm feeling that this the way it has to go, this the way it should work, and it works just like he says it does.
If you could just, on the one key word, the wow thing again, if you say, if I had to sum it up in one key word, I guess I'd just say wow, or something like that, okay? And with you.
If I had to sum it up in one word, I would just say wow.